Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session what I'll be showing you is that how do you install Python in your Android. So first of all, search for this particular app named PyDroid 3 IDE for Python 3. Okay, so all you need to do is just press install. So 12%, right? 21, 31, next 41, okay, 51, 60, 70. So yeah, it's very useful sometimes to have it just to test a few programs, right, in your phone. Okay, installing is almost over. So you can install libraries as well in this thing. So once the installing is completed, what you can do is you can just type print right, and then it just works out. Okay, as you see, the program has finished, right? So similarly, what you can also do is that you can add different modules, but to add any package what you need to do is go to pip, and then if you type over here any libraries that you want, let's say pandas, or you can just do quick install as well, but I'll just prefer to do it this way. So if you do install, it'll ask for access to your media and files, so just allow it, and then we need to install this plugin as well. So just type in get plugin, type install again. So this will take a bit of time. So 6% is 118 MB, right? My internet is a bit slow, so it'll take a time. So let's just test out some programs over here while that's being installed. So yeah, you can basically be import pandas, and then a equals to, let's say, 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, right? So you can be doing p dot data frame from a, and let's just store it to a variable called d, and let's just print d. Okay, I think it's better to write df. This is the problem. I can't really get my cursor over there. Anyways, let's see what's happening to our installation. Okay, the installation is complete, so it should work fine. Even though we get error, we should not get error for like module no module found, right? Because what has happened is that we did not press the install button earlier. So when we click install, now it will start to install it. So it's looking in the local repo, it found it, it's downloading it, it's cloning it, and then installing collected packages, blah blah blah, and then soon it will be over. Okay, successfully completed, right? Now our program should run. So now we should not get no module found kind of thing, right? Okay, what I have done is that import pandas as pd. I had to do .pd, right? To do pd. Okay, pandas has no attribute data frame, blah blah blah. So anyways, whatever error I'm getting, still like pandas has been, basically it's already there, right? So another feature that's available in this app is that you can basically directly paste the code to a paste bin. So if you click on paste bin, what happens is that you will get a URL. So if you copy that URL and then go to your browser, and if you paste it over here, and if you see over here, you will see your program. Okay, so as you can see, you will see a program over here. So that's another cool feature of this app. So if you like to write few programs at night, what you can do is, or if you feel like testing it out, what you can do is go to settings, appearance. You can make it like use the font to dark, change the font and everything else. Okay, so you can do various things. So yeah, if you do check this out, if you use Android, do check this out. It's pretty cool. Like if you're in learning phase, you might idea might pop up in your head, and then you might want to test it out quickly, right? So you just don't want to turn on your computer just for that simple task. So you can test it out right over here. Yeah, that's it for this particular video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.